Hey guys, this is how to fix HBO Max app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. Now, first solution, just simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the search and go for the top and search for the application. And after that, when there is an update, instead of open, you should be able to see here update. Now, just simply tap on the app and just simply tap on the three dots in the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now guys, for the second solution, just simply go to the settings, and after that, just simply scroll down, and after that, go for the apps. Now from here, just simply tap on the search icon and search for the app, and after that, just simply tap on it, and now just simply go for storage and tap on clear cache. And from there, you should be able to fix it. But if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix the issue. Now for the third solution is just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall, tap OK. And after that, just simply go for the Google Play Store again and just simply reinstall it back again into your device. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment down below, guys, and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.